Alright, what's going on, everybody? Doing the three boxer from the eBay break. It's about 8:18 p.m. Eastern Time on Sunday. Hope y'all are doing well. So for this one, here's our team rundown. Sorry for the lines running through there. So we got a box of Valor, a retro mini box, and totally certified Bennington as the Falcons, Packers, Rams, and Steelers. Go Green Smog with the Browns, BBC with the Bucks, KC Chiefs fan with the Chiefs, Elmanon with the Colts, Gas 78 Ads 81 with the Dolphins, DNJs with the Giants, JST has the Jags, 24 Beach Bunny Jets, Dateless Loser Tonight with the Panthers, Yeah Boy with the Patriots, Lojo Raiders, Monkey Finds Redskins, Haley Thorley Seahawks, Cody T with the Vikings. Unsold teams for this one. Quite a few of them. We got the Niners, Bears, Bengals, Bills, Broncos, Cardinals, Chargers, Cowboys, Eagles, Lions, Ravens, Saints, Texans, and Titans. Alright. So, good luck to everybody. Thanks to everybody for joining. Definitely appreciate it. And here we go. Guess we'll start with the retro mini box. On these, they are in college uniforms, so player goes to whatever team they played for the most. Good luck to everybody. This retro is going to have 3 autographs. Pulled a Russell Wilson blue PMG the other day. That was a nice one. Alright, so, retro. Thanks again, everybody. Good luck. First up, we got Aikman going to the Cowboys. If I know which team they go to for sure, I'll say it. Kirk Cousins going to the Skins. Mohamed Sanu for the Bengals. Teron Kreiner for the Raiders. And Brian Bosworth for the Seahawks. Pack 2. Rudy from the movie. So we'll actually random that off after the break. Bobby Wagner for the Seahawks. Not numbered. Okay. David DeCastro, Steelers. Roger Staubach, Cowboys. And Whitney Merciless for the Texans. Alright, this pack 3 from the retro mini box. We got Tommy Frazier. That one I'm not sure of. Dontari Poe for the Chiefs. Luke Kuechly for the Panthers. Drew Bledsoe, Patriots. And Bernard Pierce for the Ravens. Garrison Hurst, 49ers. Russell Wilson for the Seahawks. Russell Wilson is not numbered. Troy Aikman for the Cowboys. Brian Quick for the Rams. And DeVere Posey for the Texans. Rich Gannon for the Raiders. Something shiny. Johnny Latner. Flair Showcase. I don't remember where he plays. We'll look him up. This is numbered 82 of 100 on the Johnny Latner. That was 82 of 100. Barry Sanders for the Lions. Dwayne Allen for the Colts. And Bart Starr for the Packers. Joe Washington. Not sure about him. Mark Barron for the Bucks is our first auto from Retro. Mark Barron, and that is not numbered. Next up, Ronnie Hillman for the Broncos, Melvin Ingram for the Chargers, and Joe Namath for the Jets. Johnny Rodgers. And looks like we have a redemption. It's going to be auto graphics for Melvin Ingram. That'll be going to the Chargers. Melvin Ingram. Fleer Retro auto graphics. That was our second hit. Shea McClellan for the Bears. Bo Jackson, Raiders. And Mike Martin for the Texans. Excuse me, the Titans. Mike Martin is the Titans. I think we got 3 packs to go on retro. Billy Cannon. We have another Mark Barron, PMG Blue. It's going to be numbered to 50. Terrell, yeah, I don't think the Chargers sold, so yeah, no problem, man. I will do that. The Barron is number 47 of 50 on the blue PMG. Remind me when we're done, Terrell. So that was our first PMG. Jarius Wright for the Vikings. Jim Plunkett for the Raiders. And Alshon Jeffrey for the Bears. No problem, our dogs. I'll be here. Alright, 2 packs to go on retro. Alright, Steve Young for the Niners. Brandon Weeden is our 3rd auto. That's going to be going to the Browns. Not bad. Brandon Weeden, rookie auto. Not numbered. Doug Flutie, Cordy Glenn, and Trent Richardson, Browns. Alright everybody, this is the last pack of retro. Next we have Totally Certified and Valor. What's going on, Andy? Yes, he did. Dan Fouts for the Chargers. Case Keenum, it's going to be the Texans. Jerry Rice for the Niners. Nick Foles for the Eagles. And last card, Archie Manning for the Saints. Alright, so that was our retro mini box. Russell Wilson, Rookie Sensations, insert blue PMG, Mark Barron auto, redemption for Melvin Ingram, and a Brandon Weeden auto. Alright, we'll start a new video for the other 2.